Hello everyone, welcome to Golden Food Review. This is my very first video for this channel. Today I'll be reviewing Heavenly Cheesy Burger from BBoyz, which is located at Markham and Lawrence. And I have made it a combo along with fries and like drink. So let me get the order first. So this is the burger, Heavenly Cheesy Burger, and these are the fries. So let's see how it is. Bismillah. Okay. Sorry, it's very juicy, and as you can see, like, there's cheese coming out of the burger patty. So yeah, taste is very good, and of course the cheese is like filled inside the patty itself. So once you take the bite, the cheese starts pouring out. That's why I guess it's called Heavenly Cheesy. And yeah, it's really awesome. A lot of sauce, like their homemade sauce, I believe, or yeah, mostly homemade sauce only. The size of fries is also good. They seem to be crispy on the outside. Let's see. Yeah, fries are also good. Like the way the burger is made, like initially you won't see much cheese, but once you dig into it, the cheese starts, the cheese, comes pouring out. See, So overall, the burger was good. The taste was awesome, especially the cheese that was coming out of the patty. That was very like nice to view, and of course it was good in taste as well. The fries were also good. They were crispy from the outside and, excuse me, very tasty as well. And overall it was very good experience. Yeah, I liked it.